Hello friends, today I will telling you about different data types in Java. What are the data types in Java and how many data types in Java? Now we start the learning programming like Java. Now yes, we can learn the Java programming. We know the data type chapter we learn at beginning, because any programming we cannot run or cannot type without data type except the text message, print text message. That's why it is most important topic in data type. Data type is a programming language. Now what actually the data types? Data types is specified that different values and sizes that are obtained in variables. Consider a child. I will give him to anything. So first I want to tell him how to use it and what are the types to use, which type to use it. Same in computer. We will provide a data to computer. So first we will tell to computer which type this data, like that a child. Now the different types of data types. In data types there is mainly two types, primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Again, in primitive data types there is again two parts. There is a numerical data types and non-numerical data types. Again, in numerical data types there is a two types such as integer type, and second is integer and decimal. In integer there are again four types, like int data types, byte data types, long data types and short data types. There are different data types having different sizes. The byte data types having 1 byte size, long data types having 8 data types. In a order language, the byte data types, then short data type having 2 bytes, then int data type having 4 bytes, and then long data types having 8 bytes. Again, in decimal there is two types. One is a float data types and another is a double data types. The decimal data types having in decimal numbers in input data. Now we again come in non-numerical data types. There are three. There are again two data types. One is a character data types and another is a boolean data types. They are also having sizes of data types. Character data types having 4 bytes and boolean data types having 8 bytes. Actually boolean data types having 1 byte. In again we will go back to user defined, means non-primitive data types. In non-primitive data types there is a class, interface, array and string. The first there is a 4 types in non-primitive data types. The main difference between primitive and non-primitive data types is the primitive data types, the data is already defined, and in non-primitive data types the data is non-defined. It is defined from user. Thank you guys.